Prison.
Been out of prison about. Man, I've been locked up. If she wants to take me a letter, I'd have ended with "I love you" in that. Mama, yeah, I care about it till the next one.
Nobody else.
Shut up and listen.
Did you still want him?
Well, you know, Jerry, I've had some bad relationships in my life, and I've been treated real bad by some men.
Wait, go to prison to find good ones?
But I know that Jamie loves me. I don't know why he's out here doing this. I know he loves me. Yeah. I know that he has feelings for me deep down inside, and I just know.
I ended every letter with "I love you," Jerry. I did, but come on, man. You know, I love me, man.
Now, how long have you been out of prison?
Been out of prison about, a year and a half. So our 3-year relationship is really a year and a half in prison and about a year and a half.
Okay, so for the year and a half, you've been with her.
Well, yeah, she's got a big nice house.
When did you start sleeping with a niece?
About a few months. During the holiday seasons when all the family gets together.
Okay, so you've been together with her for a year, so you can't tell me that you didn't have some feelings. You obviously stayed with her.
I had lots of feelings, Jerry, but they're in my... I've been locked up. You're not comprehending, man. I've been locked up. If she wants to take care of me, I'm coming home. Home is where you lay the head. I'm coming home, brother.
And there's no other woman who would love you?
Well, there's another one right there. And there was about 12 more in the letters I was writing back and forth all over the states. Getting the extra money.
And you're okay with it?
Oh, because I know he really loves me. I don't know why he's doing this. I know you love me, Jamie. I know the way we feel when we're together.
Look, I love you because you pay the child support. I loved you because you sent me money. And I loved you because I was in jail. Hell, when I was in jail, I loved everybody. If Jerry would have wrote me a letter, I'd have ended with "I love you" in that. I mean, for real, man. I mean, really.
I told you I don't have breasts.
It ain't all about that, Jerry. It ain't like you did that every day. I'm just telling you that, you know, a couple times throughout 8 or 9 years, I got to hit one.
Before you left prison. Yeah.
And, you know, it's look, girl, it's over.
Right, now,
I don't know what else I can say to her.
Now, do you care about Tuesday?
Yeah, I care about her. She's a little sexy hot mama. Yeah, I care about her till the next one.
Okay, but Tuesday, there's someone in your life.
Yes, there is.
Say she's a two-bit tramp.
Who is this Christopher?
He's my boyfriend.
And are you aware of him?
Yeah, well, who cares? What's he gonna do?
He should. How long have you been with Christopher?
Going on about a year and a half now.
And does he know this has been going on?
He does now.
Because he's been watching. All right, let's bring him out. Here's Christopher.
How can you possibly think that he loves you?
I tried to tell you over a long time ago.
He already went out of his way to tell you
listen.
he doesn't care about you. He don't care about her.
All
He's
you
in it
do
for
is
him.
ride your goddamn skateboard all the time.
But that makes me a
You
wimp.
have no job. I support you. I pay the bills for you, and you sit on your ass.
Look, we were working for a year and a half together towards making this
It's
work.
over. I tried to tell you for the
said
last
we were
3
soulmates.
months that
You said
it was
you
over.
gave your heart
Just
to me
shut
and
up.
nobody else
Shut up
ever.
and listen. It's over. That's who I want to be with.
That's right, a real
right
man.
There. That's a man right there. That's a man.
That guy
right
looks
there.
like stain.
That's a man.
You know
Hey,
what?
now. Wish you would.